18 Cancer-fighting foods you should eat. Cancer is known worldwide to be a major health problem affecting millions of people each year. Whatever the foods we consume every day have a significant impact on how we feel, as well as how our body functions. An anti-cancer diet does not really differ much from what you need to consume every day, but there are loads of benefits to focusing on fruits, vegetables, herbs, and lean proteins. Here are top 18 foods you must eat to fight cancer. 1. Carrots. They are rich in antioxidant beta-carotene and helps protect the cell membranes in the body from being affected by toxins. Some studies have found an association between carrot consumption and a decreased risk of prostate, lung and stomach cancer. 2. Ginger. It slows down cancer cell growth due to its anti-inflammatory properties. It is more efficient than chemotherapy and it has been proven to kill ovarian cancer cells. 3. Garlic. Garlic contains allicin, a compound that has been shown to kill cancer cells in test tube studies. Studies have found that eating more garlic could lead to decreased risks of stomach, prostate and colorectal cancers. 4. Turmeric. Turmeric's active ingredient curcumin has been shown to decrease tumor size and fight colon and breast cancer. Turmeric absorption is enhanced and better able to fight inflammation. 5. Beans. Beans are high in fiber, which may be protective against colorectal cancer. Human and animal studies have found that a higher intake of beans could reduce the risk of colorectal tumors and colon cancer. 6. Cultured dairy products. They have good bacterial probiotics, microorganisms that promote a natural bacterial balance in your intestinal microflora and aids in increasing immunity. Over 80% of your immune system is located in your gut, so it's no surprise that probiotic foods and supplementation can end tumor growth and help cells renew. Aim for 6 ounces of cultured dairy daily. Probiotic yogurt, cottage cheese, goat milk. Cottage cheese, which is rich in sulfur protein and saturated fats, was considered to be especially beneficial as part of the Budwig diet for cancer protocol. 7. Leafy green vegetables. They are the basis of any healthy diet since they're rich in vitamins, minerals, antioxidants and enzymes, yet very low in calories, fats, sodium and other toxins. All kinds of leafy greens, such as nutritious kale, spinach, romaine, collard greens, salad, arugula, watercress, etc., are rich in antioxidants known to fight cancer, including beta-carotene, a type of vitamin A, and vitamin C. They are also natural sources of glucosinolates. Also, they contain antibacterial and antiviral properties, inactivate carcinogens, help reprogram cancer cells to disappear, and prevent tumor formation and metastasis. Indoles, thiocyanates and isothiocyanates are chemicals that are known to break down during the chewing and digestion process into biologically active compounds that prevent growth of cancer cells. 8. Traditional teas. Teas derived from the leaves of the plant Camellia sinensis are normally consumed as beverages around the world, including green, black or oolong tea. While all traditional teas seem to be beneficial, the major effects on human health have been attributed to green tea, such as matcha green tea. It has the highest percentage of polyphenolic compounds, catechin, galactocin and EGCG. The antioxidant EGCG is known as the most potent of all the catechins. Its anti-cancer effects is about 25 to 100 times more effective than that of vitamins E and C. EGCG has been linked to the modulation of multiple signaling pathways, resulting in the downregulation of expression of proteins responsible to the invasiveness of cancer cells. 9. Organic meats. It is recommended on many cancer-fighting diets to include organic meats including beef or chicken liver since they're extremely high in vitamin B12. Organic meats provide minerals that help cleanse the liver and help remove toxins from the blood and digestive tract. 10. Flaxseed. High in fiber as well as heart-healthy fats, flaxseed can be a healthy addition to your diet. Some studies have found that flaxseed may reduce cancer growth in breast and prostate cancers. It is also high in fiber, which may decrease the risk of colorectal cancer. Try adding 1 tablespoon 10 grams of ground flax seed into your diet each day by mixing it into smoothies, sprinkling it over cereal and yogurt, or adding it to your favorite baked goods. 11. Berries. Berries are rich in vitamins, minerals, and dietary fibers. Scientists have shown a lot of interest in berries due to their antioxidant properties and potential health benefits. One study shows that anthocyanins, which is a compound in blackberries, lowers biomarkers for colon cancer. Another study demonstrates that the anti-inflammatory effects of blueberries can prevent the growth of breast cancer tumors in mice. 12. Fatty fish. Fish consumption may decrease the risk of cancer. Fatty fish contains vitamin D and omega-3 fatty acids, two nutrients that are believed to protect against cancer. 13. Broccoli. Broccoli contains sulforaphane, a compound that has been shown to cause tumor cell death and reduce tumor size in test tube and animal studies. A higher intake of cruciferous vegetables may also be associated with a lower risk of colorectal cancer. 14. Olive oil. Several studies have shown that a higher intake of olive oil may be associated with a reduced risk of certain types of cancer. 15. Citrus fruits. Eating citrus fruits such as lemons, limes, grapefruits and oranges has been associated with a lower risk of cancer in some studies. Studies have found that a higher intake of citrus fruits could decrease the risk of certain types of cancers, including pancreatic and stomach cancers, along with cancers of the digestive and upper respiratory tracts. 16. Tomatoes. Lycopene is a compound found in tomatoes that is responsible for its vibrant red color as well as its anti-cancer properties. Some studies have found that a higher intake of tomatoes and lycopene could reduce the risk of prostate cancer. However, more studies are needed. 17. Cinnamon. Test tube and animal studies have found that cinnamon extract may have anti-cancer properties and may help decrease the growth and spread of tumors. More research in humans is needed. 18. Nuts. Some studies have found that an increased intake of nuts may decrease the risk of cancer. Research shows that some specific types like Brazil nuts and walnuts may also be linked to a lower risk of cancer. As new research continues to emerge, it has become increasingly clear that your diet can have a major impact on your risk of cancer. Although there are many foods that have potential to reduce the spread and growth of cancer cells, current research is limited to test tube, animal and observational studies. More studies are needed to understand how these foods may directly affect cancer development in humans. In the meantime, it's a safe bet that a diet rich in whole foods, paired with a healthy lifestyle, will improve many aspects of your health.